All right, let's talk about turning that baking hobby of yours into a real profitable business. We've got a super simple financial blueprint to show you how. Let's dive right in. So let me ask you something. This number right here, 30,000 rupees. Have you ever wondered if you could actually make that much every single month just from your baking? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's absolutely possible. And look, we're not just talking about total sales. This is the real deal. Your potential take-home pay. You know, the money that's actually in your pocket after you've paid for everything. So yeah, there's a pretty big range here. You could be making a nice little side income, around 7,000 rupees, or you could be building something much, much bigger, pulling it up to 30,000 a month.
Okay, so how do we even get to those profit numbers? Well, it all starts with understanding your monthly costs, which are actually way simpler than you might think.
And this is what's so great about a home baking business. Your main expenses, they're pretty predictable. You've got your ingredients, your supplies, your utilities, and that's pretty much it. This makes planning your finances so much easier. Okay, we've got the costs down. Now for the fun part, making money. And believe it or not, there's a super simple formula that drives all of your earnings. And this is it, the whole secret sauce. It's just how many things you sell in a day, times what you charge for them, times the number of days you're actually baking. That's it. No complicated math needed. All right, so let's put this formula to the test, right? We're going to look at two totally different scenarios to see exactly how this works in the real world. And check this out. This just perfectly shows the direct link between how much you work and how much you can make. If you take it easy, 1 order a day, you're still pulling in a respectable 11,000 a month. But if you really push it, maybe 3 orders a day, bam, you're suddenly looking at almost 40,000 in revenue. The only real difference is your hustle. So here's the big takeaway. The numbers, the formulas, they're just the blueprint, right? They give you the plan, but you are the one who has to actually build the business. Because at the end of the day, your real income isn't just about what's on a spreadsheet. It all boils down to 3 really crucial personal things. Yep, this is the magic trio. How good are you at what you do? How fast can you work without sacrificing that quality? And can you show up and do it day in and day out? If you can nail these 3 things, that's where you'll really see your earning potential take off.
So the path is actually pretty clear, and the math really isn't scary at all. The only question left is, what's your blueprint for success going to look like?